Hello everyone. As we all know that there is an outbreak of Nipah virus in Kozhikode district of Kerala which was started in the end of August, and basically this video is an update on the present scenario of Nipah virus outbreak in Kozhikode, Kerala. As on today, that is 16 September 23, 6 cases of Nipah virus have been detected at Kozhikode district of Kerala, and about 750 persons who are high risk contacts of these cases have been tested for the Nipah. This Kozhikode district of Kerala is located in the northern part of the Kerala, and it is the fourth outbreak of Nipah virus in Kerala. Before this, there were 3 outbreaks happened in Kerala. The first outbreak of Kerala was in year 2018, May 2018, in which we have reported 9 cases. Out of these 19 cases, these 17 cases have been died. The second outbreak happened in May 2019, where 1 case was reported. However, this case was survived, so 0 deaths were there in May 2019. The third outbreak was reported in September 21, in which 1 case was reported and the same case was died later. However, followed to this year, as of now we have reported 6 cases, and out of these 6 cases, 2 have already been died. The first case which was died was on 30th August. He was a 39-year-old person, and the second death case which was happened on 11th of September, he was 40-year-old person. So now let's discuss what the steps which central government and state government of Kerala are taking towards the outbreak control of this Nipah virus. The central government has sent a team of experts of 5 members. These 5 members are from various apex bodies of the country, including NCDC, National Center for Disease Control, the RML Hospital, Ram Manohar Lohia Hospital, and the NIMHANS. And this team of experts are basically to assess the situation of this Nipah virus outbreak at Kerala and to assist the Kerala government to fight against this outbreak. Apart from that, the National Institute of Virology, which is located in Pune, they have set up a mobile laboratory at Kozhikode Medical College to test for this virus and carry out the surveys on the bats, which are basically fruit bats, and these fruit bats are the main reservoir for this Nipah viruses. Another apex body of the country, which is ICMR, Indian Council of Medical Research, they have established one MBSL3 laboratory at Kozhikode. Basically, this MBSL3 laboratory is the first biosafety level 3 containment mobile laboratory of South Asia. This MBSL3 laboratory has few important characteristics, as it has been designed to be easily decontaminated, and in this the unidirectional air blood flow system has been established, which is based on the pressure gradients of the negative pressure. Apart from that, the exhaust air is being HEPA filtered in this MBSL3 design. This HEPA means high efficiency particulate air filter. And apart from that, in this MBSL3 laboratory, there is proper procedure for the disposal of the biomedical waste. Apart from this, India has procured about 20 doses of monoclonal antibodies. These monoclonal antibodies are only hope for the treatment against this Nipah virus, and India is procuring this monoclonal antibody from Australia. Actually, this medicine need to be given only during early stage of the infection. It is better effective during the early stage of infection. However, the effectiveness of this monoclonal antibody is not yet clinically proven, but It is the only option for the treatment of these patients infected with Nipah virus. Apart from this, the 19-member core committee has been established at Kozhikode. Call centers, a control center has also been established at Kozhikode. In Kozhikode Medical College, the medical college has been fully equipped with the isolation facility, ventilator and ICU facility, so that these patients can be managed appropriately. A psychological support team has been established, and for the treatment, for the management of these patients, a improved treatment protocols is being followed. The state government of Kerala has directed its citizens to avoid the public gatherings in Kozhikode district for next 10 days. The affected Gram Panchayats of Kozhikode district, Kozhikode area have been declared as a quarantine zones. All educational institutes in Kozhikode district, including the Anganwadis, Madarsas, the tuition centers, professional colleges, they will be remain closed till 24th September. An alert has also been issued to the citizens of Kannur, Wayanad and Malappuram district, which are the nearby districts of Kozhikode, so that they can follow the preventive measures and they can take care of them against this Nipah virus infection. Public has also been advised to refrain from unnecessary travel to the Nipah affected areas in Kerala during next few days. People who are in containment zones areas have been told to wear masks, to use sanitizers and to practice the social distancing as we have earlier followed during the COVID infection. Vehicles traveling on the national highways and going through the containment zones, they have also been advised not to stop in these areas. Apart from that, it is also advised to the persons who have history of travel to these affected areas that they should immediately report to any health facility in case they feel any kind of symptoms of related with the Nipah virus, which includes fever along with the headache, stiff neck and other symptoms which have been told in respect of the Nipah virus. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to know further about the Nipah virus, about its transmission, its diagnosis, its natural history, treatment, prevention process, then follow the next video. Thank you so much.